Fear is information. It is not a stop sign. My biggest fear when I was a self-publisher, and honestly, I think this fear has really just gone away in the last like 12 to 15 months. My biggest fear was niche selection. It was picking the wrong niche. That was always my biggest fear. Like I would be sick, not sick to my stomach, but like this gut feeling. It's like, oh, I don't know. Like, is this niche good? Should I do it? Should I do it? Should I do it? And I would wait months, and then the niche would blow up. And I'm like, damn it. Now it's too late to get in it. Is it too late to get in it? And wait some more time. And then it's like, all right, now it's way too late to get in it. Is it? Right? It was like 9 months have gone by. And fear is a signal that you're doing it right. And fear is never going to go away. There's always going to be some uncertainty or some nervousness, always, right? Like I still get that when we created a new brand for our fitness books, and we were creating the covers, and I like them. I think they're good covers, right? And we're just shaping how we wanted the brand to go. And there's fear, there's uncertainty, because you want them to win. You want them to crush. And you just don't know that until you publish them, until you put them out in the market, until you run ads, until you get the reviews, and then you see how they do. But what changes is not the fear, it's your relationship with the fear and how you manage the fear. I'm 10 years deep and I still run into fear when it comes to publishing new books, right? It's just, I manage it very differently and I use it for different things now. If you want to publish a book on Amazon and make money from it, I got this for you. I'm running a free 3-day publish and profit challenge. By the end of it, you'll have a book published on Amazon and making your first sales. I've been publishing for over 9 years. I've published hundreds of books, helped thousands of people do the same. If you don't know where to start, or you can't find a profitable topic, or you just don't want to waste time or money, this is for you. Day 1 is finding your topic, creating your book title, getting your cover locked in. Day 2, it's all about building your book. It's doing the research, creating the outline, and writing your entire book. And then day 3, polishing your book, publishing it on Amazon, and showing you how to generate your first sales. And this is free. I'm showing you the exact way to build this business without having to hide it behind a paid course. And to show you how simple this is, my 10-year-old daughter has even published her own book using this exact same framework.
Actually, Daddy, I promise free.
You're also going to get my free support group, and you're going to get the custom GPT that I built specifically to help you with this challenge. Just click the link in the description or go to publishingacademy.com/challenge. You'll get an email. It'll be the link to get into the school group. In the classroom section, everything's laid out. Go do it now.